In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link records between tables in Airtable. Linking records is what turns separate tables into a connected, flexible database. Think of it like drawing a clean line between related items, such as connecting tasks to projects or orders to customers, so you can navigate and report more easily. Here's how to set it up from start to finish. First, head over to Airtable in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're in, open the base where your data lives. A base is your workspace for related tables, so choose the one that contains the tables you want to connect. Open the table where you want to create the link. This is the table that will hold the new field pointing to another table. At the top of your columns, click the +Add Field button. Give the field a clear, descriptive name so teammates instantly understand what it connects to. For example, project or customer. From the field type options, choose Link to another record. Airtable will prompt you to select the target table you want to connect to. Pick the table that contains the records you plan to reference. When you're ready, click Create Field. Airtable will add the new linked record column to your current table, and it will also create a corresponding field in the target table, so the relationship works both ways. That means you can navigate from either side with a single click. Now it's time to make actual connections. In the new Linked Field column, click into a cell for a record you want to link. A panel or picker will open. Start typing to search for an existing record in the target table and select it to create the link. If the exact record you need doesn't exist yet, create a new one right from this picker. Airtable will add that record to the target table and link it immediately, so you stay in flow. Work your way down the column and repeat this process for other records as needed. As you link, you'll notice you can hover or click the linked value to open the related record in a side panel, which makes cross-referencing details quick and reliable. That's it. By visiting Airtable, signing in, opening your base, adding a link to another record field, selecting the target table, creating the field, and then choosing or creating records to connect, you've built a clean relationship between tables. With your links in place, your base becomes easier to navigate, summarize, and trust.